The following preview has been approved for appropriate audience. Motion pictures created by Bytes Crafter. Watching videos is advised. Visit our website for more videos. www.bytescrafter.weebly.com.
Guys, my name is Caezar from Bytes Crafter, and before anything else, I would like to give thanks or an appreciation to all the viewers and subscriber of this channel. So let's start. So today we have a very important updates. So we did finish our project called the United Database. Just go to my website called bytescrafter.weebly.com and navigate into the database. So what you can see here is here's our simple personalized logo of United Database. So what is United Database? It is a multi-platform implementation in Unity 3D or in website development. So the first ever software Bytes Crafter. So why did we make this United Database? So as an indie developer developing games or application on mobile, you can use the Google Play game services, yet the bad part is that it is only available on mobile. So the advantage of having your own database is that you can use it on many platforms that has an access to the internet, if I am not wrong. So as of now, we are currently making ways to minimize the implementation for developers. So may I invite you to our newest release called the United Database that will be hosted on our site. Don't worry, it's free, totally free. So the idea is to have the unified database for your mobile and other platforms, PC or console. And also you can check for all the players currently registered and active. So please check the link and email us if you have any comments or suggestion to better improve this database. The advantage of the database is limitless. So it really depends on how you use it, but in general purposes, you use database for saving and loading player preps or progress. For example, you can save your player level, experience, etc. And also, if you want to contact your players, such as an email ad or email marketing, and another thing is when you want to see stats of your game. There are so many applications for database. What you need is to think like a player. It also brings loyalty from the player, as their progress can be continued just by sharing. We are also done with the United Database, which in our mind, we want to deploy our games in multi-platform to have a greater chance of having more players. So the basic I think the principles here is when you host your game to many platforms, for example, you host your game to h.io as a WebGL or that standalone, and Google Play Game Services, and iOS, Amazon, you have more chances of getting more players. So I think that's the basic principles of a database. So having more having more platforms. So basically, I think the supported platform will be Android, Apple iOS, Windows Phone, Smart TV, HTML, Windows, Apple Mac. I know that HTML and WebGL have cross-domain policies, but we did some tests and some research, so we did it successfully. So that's it. You could download the .exe file here at h.io. Just click download, and if you want to donate to better improve this, you can click that. Or if you have any money, or you you just want to test it or you want to use it in the game, it's free. It's reliable. It will be reliable. Connection, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited data storage, as it will not cost me a lot of web storage, because we only store string and convert it into usable variable in Unity. So now go to downloads. You could download that and download that exe file. So I will save it here on desktop, and maybe we could go back, and we also have a WebGL console here available on our site. So we wait for it to load. So it is fast, as you can see. So if you have any question or suggestion, you could leave here in the comment box below. To better improve this, I really need your comments or suggestion. So here you can register if you have no account. So username, password, email, and the basic information. Don't worry, this database will this information will be secure in my database, as I encrypt and decrypt data before I process it. So go back. So I have a test account called Caezar and a password of 123. So we did authenticate. So as you can see here, I think it's a little bit blur because it's a WebGL, and I think we have a resolution problem here. But here we are finished on downloading. So if you want to know about how to make a Unity game or Unity application standalone to a software that can be installed, please message me if you want a tutorial, so you can have agreement terms and the information. It's like a basic software, so already exists. So create a desktop shortcut, install. So next, and we should launch we suspend using the WebGL because I think this will be of okay, sorry for that. So I'm running out of vocabulary. So let's just click finish and use the .exe file. So here it is better. So we can log in just by putting the username and the password, which is created here in the register window, and authenticate. So as you can see, I have my name, I have my account, my sample account type, so pre or premium, donate. If you have excess money out there, you could donate to improve this United Database version 1.0. So you could sign out, and here is the database control. You could create a database and delete current. So by deleting the current, you should select it, and also just by selecting the database, you will refresh all the current entries of the database. For example, here in Priyani 1, I have sample 3 players who registered, and I could contact them here. I could send hey, and it will be included as admin in his message database. So I could also view now for his current progress. So the progress will be saved as a string, and if you are familiar with string.split, and later on we'll have a tutorial about that, and you could also delete the current layer. So if I delete this, for example, I delete the Zycos because it's my account. So it automatically deletes on the entry on the web. So I can also delete a database just by clicking the current database and delete. It will automatically deleted on the database on the live server. So as you can see here, you can see all the current entries for every database. So what is the purpose of the copy hash key? So the purpose of copy hash key is later on we need this copy hash key to authenticate that we are accessing that current database. For example, if I click the current Peryahan and I copied the hash key and I paste it here, it gives me back a hash table that is generated to be that will be used to encrypt or decrypt that string. Here is another tab, very useful tab. So we have an information tab. It includes the upload and download. So it computes the upload amount and the total downloads. Currently we have 1499 bytes and download is 2720 bytes. So that's it. You could also contact me here just by clicking into the administrator. And for example, I want to ask something. So if I send that, it will automatically send into my server account and notify me. So we have also here a simulation. For example, here in Unity, this is a sample implementation of the United database. So click simulation and we have a sample username login. So if I click does, and so it does not return because it is not registered. So we basically sign up for sample. We called it sample, and the password is 123 and the email is sample at gmail.com, and the first name is sample. So it's she's a female and the age is 21 and the day is 12, month is May and January. If you want tutorial for this tago, please feel free to email me and I have a sample asset for that. So free asset. So the country, I have the country here, check and register. So currently it has no notification window. So but if you enter a new username, it will be automatically insert into the database. So go back, sample, we did the sample and the 123 database. So it automatically logged in. So just to test it, so for example, we need to change here. Level is change and sample random. So premium is that, for example, an archive in update. So it automatically updates. For example, we need to sign out and X, and we refresh this Peryahan U1. So we have a sample here. If we contact, now we can contact him now, so her now. So we can view his current progress. So as you can see, sample, cache, archive, we did choose archer, current HP, and sample random. So that's it. I think you get the point. So I invite you to try the United database. It is a multi-platform that can be accessed through devices that has capability to or connectivity to the internet. So that's it. I think that's it for now. And if you have any question or suggestion, please leave some comment on my website or in our YouTube channel. YouTube channel at Bytescrafter. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. So that's it. You could please leave a subscribe. I really need your support and to fund what I do here. So we have a Facebook page, Twitter account, and also have a itch.io and in Google Play. So we have some of our games are posted. This Maligno Island is a multiplayer game like Mobile Legends. So thank you and please subscribe.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click subscribe. More to come. Click here to play this video.